Okay, let's not beat around the bush. I make $1,000, sometimes even more, every single day. Most of it is profit using AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how to copy me, because that's why you're here. Let me be crystal clear. What I'm about to share with you isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is the exact system I use to make serious money while enjoying financial freedom most people only dream about. The biggest lie you've been told is that making money online is complicated. It's not. It's about having a dead simple system and actually executing it consistently. That's it. There's no magic, no secret sauce, just implementation of the right thing that anyone willing to put in the work can follow. And if you think that I got lucky or you probably can't do this, I didn't grow up with any advantages. My childhood was filled with memories of my parents arguing over grocery prices and pinching pennies just to make ends meet. And those life experiences lit a fire in me. I promised myself I would never, ever settle for average, never accept financial struggles as my destiny. But wanting something and knowing how to go get it are two completely different things. My first attempt at making money online was dropshipping back in high school. If you don't know what dropshipping is, you basically find some products which are cool or trendy. For example, let's say some kind of lamp which looks funny or weird. You buy that lamp from a website which sells it for $10 and then you sell it on your own website for $100. And for a while, people made a lot of money with this. But that quickly became very, very saturated. And I still remember the rush of adrenaline I felt when I got my first sale. Within 30 minutes of launching my store, I thought I'd struck gold, but reality hit me fast. I ran out of ad money before I could scale, and the whole thing just crashed. Game over. From there, I tried everything to make more money you can possibly imagine. Affiliate marketing? Yes. Print on demand? I did too. Selling on Instagram? I tried it too. And nothing worked consistently. Because the problem was, either I needed too much startup capital, or the business model was too complex, or the competition was too fierce. The critical lesson I learned from all those failures was simple. You need a business model that does require big capital to start. You need something that leverages what you already have, instead of having to learn new skills which take years to learn sometimes. Most people spend years jumping from shiny object to shiny object, never giving anything enough focused effort to actually succeed. My breakthrough finally came when I discovered the power of selling knowledge through high-ticket offers, which basically means expensive products. So instead of selling physical products or fighting for pennies for commissions, I started to help coaches, consultants, and agency owners to get more leads and book calls. These are people who already have the expertise, they know what they're selling, but they struggle with the marketing and sales side of the business. I will never forget the day I signed my first $1,000 client. I was literally shaking when I sent them the payment link, and that moment changed everything for me because it proved my system worked. I had found a consistent, repeatable process to literally print money. And from there, things snowballed fast. One client became 3, then 10, then dozens. And within months, I was consistently making more than most people with regular jobs. All of that from my home. What changed wasn't just my tactics, but also my entire mindset. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description, and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Here's what most gurus won't tell you. Clarity beats motivation every single time. You're not lazy, you just lack direction. When you don't know exactly what to do next, your brain automatically defaults to distractions. Just think about it. How many times have you opened TikTok or Instagram when you felt confused about your next business move? That's not a willpower problem, that's a clarity problem. Most people think they need more motivation when what they really need is a clear step-by-step plan to follow. Once I had a clear, repeatable system, everything took off. I didn't spend more time scrolling for hours looking for the secret to success, because I knew exactly what to do each day to move forward. This wasn't about working harder, it was about working smarter with the right tools and strategy. So let me introduce you to what I call the PTP method, Passion to Profit. This is the framework I use to generate $1,000, sometimes even more, every single day, using AI tools like DeepSeek. I've broken it down into 4 simple steps that anyone can follow regardless of your background or experience level. Step 1 is crafting your offer. This is the foundation of everything. You need to define 3 things: who you help, what problems you solve, and what results you deliver. That's it. You don't need complicated business plans or fancy tech decks, just crystal clear positioning that speaks directly to a specific audience with a specific problem. What's amazing with DeepSeek is how it helps you to nail this. I used it to research market pain points, craft compelling messages, and even refine my offer until it's irresistible. For example, I will prompt DeepSeek with something like, research the top 5 challenges fitness coaches face when trying to get clients. And just like that, within minutes, I have deep insights that would have taken days to gather manually. Remember, your personal pain is your biggest power. Whatever you've struggled to overcome is a goldmine of opportunity. So for me, it was helping business owners to get more leads and more sales calls, because I had been through the struggle of building an online business with no traffic, so I knew exactly what they needed. Your story will be different, but the principle is the same. You solve a problem you understand deeply. If you've lost weight in the past, you can do this. If you've been able to get a good relationship, you can help people to find the same. The key is to be specific with your offer. You don't want to try to help everyone with everything, because that is the fastest route to helping no one with nothing and making no money. When I started, I specifically chose to target online agency owners who wanted to generate leads without cold emailing people. And that narrow focus allowed me to create an offer that felt custom built for their exact situation. Step 2 is booking appointments. This is where most people fail. They focus on building a brand, growing followers, or even creating the perfect website. You wouldn't even believe the number of broke influencers out there. Just because you've got a lot of followers doesn't mean you're making a lot of money. All of that is worthless if you're not getting in front of your ideal clients and having sales conversations. If you don't have conversations, it equals no income, period. This is business at its most fundamental level. You need to proactively reach out to potential customers every single day, especially when you're just getting started. Not when you feel like it, not when inspiration strikes, every single day. Now, DeepSeek is a game changer here. I used it to create cold DM scripts that actually get responses. I generate attention-grabbing social media content that drives interest and gets me customers. It helps me to create hooks that stop people from scrolling and made them reach out because they wanted my help personally. And some of these people became customers and paid me. For example, from one of my customers, I helped him to target fitness coaches who were struggling to get customers. And using DeepSeek, we generated an Instagram post that said, the 3 reasons why most fitness coaches stay broke and the simple fix that's hiding in plain sight. And that single post brought about 5 appointment requests in 24 hours. Now, I also use DeepSeek to analyze successful campaigns in different industries. I will put example of my highest performing messages and videos and ask it to break down why they work and how to adapt the principles for my specific market. This level of analysis would take hours manually, but AI makes it possible in minutes. Sales 3 is sales conversion, what I call the easy close method. Most people think selling means pressuring someone. It doesn't. Good selling is simply guiding conversations toward a mutually beneficial outcome. It's about understanding the prospect's needs and showing them how your solution addresses those needs. The best part about DeepSeek is how it helps me to prepare for these calls. I use it to roleplay objections before they even come up. I write answers to common concerns. I even prepare for different buyer types so I can adapt my approach on the fly. For example, before any sales call, I prompted DeepSeek with, create 5 potential objections a prospect might have about my $1,000 lead generation service for real estate agents, and create thoughtful responses that address the underlying concern. If you do this, you will get amazing at sales. And this kind of preparation made me feel confident and sound knowledgeable during calls rather than stumbling upon my words when objections rise. This preparation has boosted my close rate dramatically. When a prospect says, "Oh, I need to think about it," I'm not caught off guard. I have a thoughtful, prepared response that addresses the real concern, which is usually fear, not pricing. My close rate went from 20% to over 50% just by implementing this specific preparation. Step 4 is delivery and scaling. This is where you turn your initial success into a sustainable, scalable business model. I always tell people to start with one-on-one offers, then move to group programs, and eventually create courses. This progression allows you to refine your product while increasing your profit margins. The biggest mistake I see is people trying to create a full course upfront before they've validated their offer. That's backward. Start by helping individuals refine your process and then scale up. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes learning. DeepSeek helps me to create workbooks for customers, outline lesson plans, and plan content calendars for my programs. It cuts my content creation time in half, which means I can focus more on strategy and client success. I will ask DeepSeek to create a 5-day email sequence for my new clients that introduces my process and sets expectations. Within minutes, I have professional content that would have taken hours to write. For scaling, I use DeepSeek to analyze my client results and identifying patterns. And then I ask myself the following questions. What's working best? What could be streamlined? When you have a data-driven approach like this, it means each iteration of your offer gets stronger and more effective, which justifies higher prices and creates better results. You have to understand that right now, the market for online education is exploding. It's projected to hit $363 billion by 2032. That is not a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how people learn and buy knowledge or information. We're living in the knowledge economy, where guidance and knowledge properly packaged and delivered is worth its weight in gold. And the part I like the most about this business model is that you don't need to be some guru who knows everything. Hell, I'm not. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you're helping and genuinely solve real problems. Everyone has knowledge or experience that others would pay for. The key is to position it correctly and get it in front of the right people. AI tools like DeepSeek level the playing field. They give you capabilities that used to require entire teams or huge budgets. But with the right strategy and consistent action, making $1,000 per day isn't just possible. It's inevitable if you follow the system and refuse to quit when challenges arise. That's where most people give up here. Now, let me be completely honest with you. Most people who hear this will never take action. They will nod along, maybe even feel inspired for a day or two, then they'll go right back to their comfort zone. That's why average stays average. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Here's my challenge to you. Spend the next 14 days fully committed to this system. Use DeepSeek to craft your offer. Reach out to 20 potential customers every single day. Prepare for sales calls like your life depends on it. Deliver exceptional value. Make no excuses and show up every single day. If you do this for 2 weeks straight, I can guarantee you will start seeing results that will change your perspective on what's actually possible. You might not be making $1,000 per day immediately, but you will be on the path and you will have proof that the system actually works. The startup cost is virtually nothing compared to traditional businesses. You don't need employees, inventory, or expensive softwares. You need a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to put yourself out there consistently. The real investment is your time and commitment to mastering this process. Every day, I wake up to new client inquiries and payment notifications. Not because I'm special or have some unfair advantage. It's because I follow this exact system day in, day out. I've made the decision that mediocrity isn't an option, and I put that decision into action every single day. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect time to do things. You're always going to have excuses or reasons to delay. Something you really need to understand is that successful people don't have fewer obstacles than you. They just decide that obstacles will not stop them. The difference between people who make serious money online and those who don't isn't talent or luck. It's decision and implementation. Decide that mediocrity isn't acceptable. Decide that financial freedom is non-negotiable. Then, implement what works until you get results. Now look, you can keep consuming content and hoping something changes, or you can become the person who actually executes and transforms your financial reality. One path leads to more of the same. The other leads to the freedom you've been chasing your whole life. So the choice is yours as always. But realize this, really get this through your head. Every day you wait is costing you thousands of dollars. I'm talking about right now. That money is left on the table because of your hesitation and doubt. And I get it, it's scary when you're getting started. To be completely honest with you, a few years ago, back when I wanted to make more money and build my business, I was so anxious I couldn't even leave my parents' house. I'm not joking. So when I messaged my best friend, telling him I went outside, he literally congratulated me. If I could overcome this, what makes you think like you don't have enough to get started right now? All you lack is a clear step-by-step process on exactly how to do it. Nothing else. Now obviously, this is just a simple YouTube video, so I can't really go too in depth. So if you want to see exactly what I did to make over 1K per day in profit with my business, with my PTP method, I invite you to check out the free training in the description below. because I'm going to share everything with you step by step. But be quick, because I don't know for how long I'm going to keep sharing this for free. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.